is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger, and it's a beautiful sunny day here in Florida. I thought I'd take a drive and head over to Aldi and to see what is new. So tune in. Come on, let's go to Aldi, everybody. Going into Aldi. Here we see the salmon, $22.33. That same package used to be $17 and now it's $22. And also the chicken over here, it's crazy, the prices of the chicken. Look at that. That package of chicken for $6, it used to be $3.50. So we are here at the new at Aldi aisle, and look, they have some beautiful blankets. I love the floral colors, and this candle right here smells so good. Screenshot it and make sure you purchase it. It smells so good. I wonder how it will burn. And also this item, they had all of the things out for Valentine's Day. The cup, it's really cute, some really cute items. And then they had this love sign plushie, and that was for $9.99. And then of course, you know, there has to be all the treats. They had the flavored coffee, and of course, you know, the chocolates, Russell Stover chocolates, and also all of the Hostess. That you like those treats, those sweet things that we love to eat. Yes, and the Cashapp chocolates. Oh yeah, I know that somebody loves them. And then they had these pretzel hearts. I thought those would probably taste really good. Do you guys like pretzels dipped in chocolate? And also they had the Mercy chocolates and everything else that you see here. What would you purchase from this new at Aldi aisle? Let me know in the comment section below. So here is the haul. I tried to get some healthier items. I'm on this health journey, not diet, health journey to do better by eating better. But you know, I gotta have a little bit of snacks. I did buy some muffins and I did buy some chocolates, but you know, everything in moderation. My total was $65. Heading off to the next adventure that will be shown in next week's vlog here in Tampa, heading to the next location. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you found something new at Aldi that you will want to go and check and see if it's in your local Aldi. This is Life with Marlene, and I am your Florida vlogger. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you won't miss any uploads, premieres, or when I go live. I appreciate every single one of you. And I want to say shout out to all of my channel members: Boss Life Online, Estat, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Miss Nexie, and Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia. Join channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. We'd love to have you as a gem. And this is Life with Marlene. And I'm out.